Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Cholo shirt is probably one of the most iconic and versatile pieces of clothing that has transcended cultural boundaries, offering a unique blend of style, comfort, and historical significance that continues to resonate with fashion enthusiasts and cultural aficionados alike, making it a must-have addition to any wardrobe seeking a touch of authentic flair and timeless appeal. Number 5. Hardaddy Men's Casual Striped Shirt. Introducing our latest casual striped shirt for men. Perfect for a relaxed yet stylish summer look. Crafted with lightweight fabric, this short-sleeve blouse ensures you stay cool and comfortable all day long. Featuring a timeless button-down front, it offers versatility for any casual occasion. The eye-catching stripes add a touch of personality to your outfit. It's ideal for beach days or casual outings. Embrace the laid-back vibe with this Hawaiian-inspired shirt. It's the perfect addition to your summer wardrobe. What we like. This shirt offers a timeless striped pattern perfect for a relaxed summer vibe. Its lightweight and breathable fabric ensures you stay cool even on the hottest days. If you're looking for a versatile shirt that combines classic style with everyday comfort, this is a great choice for beach outings or casual hangouts. What people say. The color and the material are great. I like when deep color of green. Great material. Sized up one size just in case and it looked great. Soft, beautiful color and lightweight. Shirt looks awesome but it literally dyed everything in my washer green. Make sure you wash it separately the first time. Number 4. Hardaddy Men's Vintage Bowling Shirt. Step back in time with this vintage-inspired bowling shirt. Experience the perfect blend of classic style and modern comfort for your everyday wear. Embrace the summer season with this short-sleeved wonder. Its vibrant print brings a touch of the tropics right to your wardrobe. Featuring a classic button-down design, this shirt is perfect for any casual occasion. Easily transition from a day at the beach to a relaxed evening out. Designed for ultimate relaxation, this shirt offers a casual yet stylish look. It's your go-to piece for laid-back vibes all summer long. The eye-catching print adds a unique flair to your outfit. Stand out from the crowd with this distinctively designed casual shirt. Crafted from lightweight fabric, it ensures you stay cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. Enjoy breathable wear without compromising on style. What we like. Embrace a cool retro look with its distinctive vintage bowling shirt design and eye-catching prints. It's perfect for adding a touch of nostalgia to your wardrobe. If you love a unique style that stands out and want to channel a fun, retro aesthetic, this is the one for you, especially for parties or themed events. What people say. The retro design brings all the nostalgic charm, and the festive patterns make them perfect for holiday parties, family gatherings, or just showing off some unique style during the season. The fabric is surprisingly comfortable, lightweight, breathable, and great quality. The fit is relaxed but flattering, and the details, like the contrast piping and classic button up front, really make the shirt stand out. It does look like the picture. Colors and print are what they look like. These are great shirts, lightweight and colorful and 100% polyester, so keep that in mind when ordering. They arrive as advertised and the size chart is bang on. Number 3. True Classic Men's Workout Shirts. Introducing the ultimate workout companion. Designed for peak performance, these shirts move with you, not against you. Experience unparalleled comfort during every rep. The breathable fabric keeps you cool and focused, no matter the intensity. Showcase your hard-earned physique. Our tailored fit accentuates your muscles, giving you confidence in and out of the gym. From intense training sessions to casual recovery days, these are the perfect tops for all your fitness needs. Invest in quality that lasts. These shirts are built to withstand countless workouts while maintaining their shape and feel. Elevate your gym wardrobe with True Classic. Feel the difference that superior design and comfort can make. What we like. Engineered for performance, this top features an athletic fit that moves with you and moisture-wicking fabric to keep you dry. It's ideal for intense workouts. If you are serious about your gym sessions and need apparel that supports peak performance and comfort, this is an excellent option for your training needs. What people say. The fabric is incredibly soft but still feels solid and high quality. I've washed them plenty of times and they've held up really well, so no concerns with washability. No loss of softness, shape, or overall quality. No shrinking either. The fit and cut are excellent. The length is just right and the shoulders have enough room without looking boxy. Overall, the cut is very flattering and works great both casually and for workouts. They fit perfect and are true to size. They do not shrink in a wash and are very durable. He puts them through the test. He loves that they have no tags and are very soft and comfortable. Number 2. OG Shirts Men's Original Gangster T-Shirt. Embrace the authentic OG style with our original Gangster T-shirt. It's designed for those who appreciate the classic lowrider aesthetic. Channel the spirit of East Los with this unique design. It's a tribute to the vibrant Cholo culture and its iconic lowrider influence. Celebrate the lowrider lifestyle with apparel that speaks to its roots. This shirt is perfect for car enthusiasts and cultural aficionados alike. Wear a piece of history with our original Gangster T-shirt. It represents a timeless look that continues to inspire. Experience comfort without compromising on style. This tee offers a relaxed fit, making it ideal for everyday wear. Stand out from the crowd with this bold graphic tee. It's more than just a shirt, it's a statement of individuality and heritage. What we like. This tee embodies the authentic Cholo and lowrider lifestyle with its bold graphics. It's a statement piece for those who appreciate the culture. If you identify with this iconic subculture or want to make a strong visual statement, this shirt is perfect for showcasing your roots and style. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for warm weather. The fit is true to size and very flattering. The design is unique and eye-catching, receiving many compliments. Number 1. EL Cholo T-Shirt. Introducing the EL Cholo T-Shirt, a timeless piece that blends comfort with iconic style. Perfect for any occasion, it's designed to be a staple in your wardrobe. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, this T-shirt offers exceptional comfort all day long. Its unique design makes a bold statement, reflecting your individual flair. Dress it up or down, this versatile T-shirt is your go-to choice. Pair it with jeans for a casual look or layer it under a jacket for a more polished ensemble. We've focused on quality construction to ensure this T-shirt lasts. Enjoy its vibrant look and comfortable feel wash after wash. Embrace the spirit of EL Cholo with this signature T-shirt. It's more than just clothing, it's a way to express yourself and stand out from the crowd. What we like. Featuring a straightforward yet iconic graphic, this T-shirt offers effortless style for everyday wear. It's comfortable and easy to pair with anything. If you prefer a clean, casual look and want a go-to tee that represents a specific cultural nod without being overly complex, this is a solid choice for daily comfort. What people say. Great shirt, but I recommend having some more protection for the shirt, not just thrown in the poly bag. Sometimes packages come open and items could get damaged that way. Lots of compliments at the Cholo party we attended. I think I'll wear it to work just for fun. Shirt is good quality, print is nice, the colors are great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.